In this lesson, we'll dive further into columns and rows and see their parameters in action. Start by replacing the body of the scaffold with a simple text widget that is inside a container with a green background color. We already know that the column is a layout widget which takes a list of children and arranges them vertically. Let's wrap this text widget with a column widget. By default, the column widget sizes itself to fit the children horizontally and tries to be as tall as its parent vertically. The height of this column widget is clearly visible using the light blue color used by the container wrapping it. Let's add two more text widgets of different colors to this column to further confirm this hypothesis. Now, on changing column to a row, we see that the same rule holds true for a row along its own main axis, which is the horizontal axis. This means that the row takes up the size of the parent horizontally, but restricts itself to the size of its children vertically. For further clarification, let's add a custom height to one of the text widgets. The row still occupies the height of its tallest text widget vertically, but stretches to the size of the parent horizontally. If you don't want your column or row to take up the size of the parent vertically or horizontally respectively, you can make use of their MainAxisSize parameter. The main axis for a column being the vertical axis and horizontal for a row. By default, the MainAxisSize is set to be max. Hence, both of them occupy as much space as possible within their parent on their main axis. We can change this to MainAxisSize.min. Further, you can play around with its cross-axis alignment as well. The cross-axis for the column is the horizontal axis and for the row it is the vertical axis. The cross-axis alignment is used to align the children widgets inside the row or column. One of its interesting values is stretch. Using this value stretches all the children of the column or row to their max size along their cross-axis. The max size along the cross-axis can be constrained using the height and width parameters of the rows or columns parent widget.